Have you ever been caught in a situation where you lost your cool? Maybe someone cut you off in traffic, or a conversation spiraled into an argument. We've all been there. But what if you could train your mind to stay calm, no matter what happens around you? What if, instead of reacting with anger or frustration, you could respond thoughtfully and with control? This is where Stoic philosophy comes in. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stoicism teaches us that we can't always control what happens to us, but we can absolutely control how we respond. The key to mastering our emotions, to staying calm in the face of chaos, is understanding that the power lies within us. Think about it. Every day we're faced with challenges, but it's our reaction to these challenges that shapes our peace of mind. And the Stoics believed that by practicing mindfulness and reflecting on our responses, we can train ourselves to act with wisdom, not impulse. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. So, in today's video, we're diving into how you can stop reacting and start responding with calm and clarity, just like the Stoics did. Let's explore how Stoic principles can help you take control of your emotions and create a peaceful mind, no matter what life throws your way. Training your mind to respond, not react, is a skill that anyone can develop. The key is understanding that your reactions don't have to control you. In Stoicism, this idea is at the heart of mastering your emotions. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When something challenging happens, instead of reacting immediately, pause and reflect. This pause allows you to respond thoughtfully, not impulsively. A great Stoic technique for this is mindfulness. By becoming aware of your emotions in the moment, you can notice when you're about to react. This awareness gives you the power to choose how to act, rather than just letting emotions take over. Another Stoic practice is negative visualization, which involves imagining the worst-case scenario. This might seem strange, but it helps reduce fear and anxiety, preparing you for anything life throws your way. Marcus Aurelius taught, "The obstacle in the path becomes the path." This means that challenges aren't problems to avoid. They are opportunities to grow and respond with wisdom. Finally, journaling is a helpful tool. By reflecting on your thoughts and actions, you can learn from your experiences and become better at responding with calm and clarity over time. Now that we understand the importance of responding rather than reacting, let's dive into some practical Stoic techniques you can use every day to train your mind. These techniques are not just theory. They're tools that will help you stay calm and in control no matter what happens. One powerful technique is negative visualization. It might seem odd at first, but by imagining the worst-case scenario, you prepare your mind for challenges ahead. When you picture what could go wrong, it reduces the fear of the unknown. As Seneca wisely said, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. By mentally rehearsing difficulties, you can face them with less anxiety and more composure. It's a way to remove the shock factor and strengthen your resilience. Another key Stoic practice is viewing obstacles as opportunities. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." This means that every challenge, every problem, is not something to avoid, but something to embrace. When you encounter a setback, instead of reacting with frustration, take a step back and ask, how can this help me grow? By changing your perspective, you turn every obstacle into a lesson. Daily reflection is another powerful technique. Marcus Aurelius used to journal his thoughts to keep himself grounded. This practice allows you to review your day, reflect on your actions, and analyze how you responded to situations. Did you react in a way that aligned with your values, or did you let your emotions take over? This self-reflection helps you learn from your experiences and do better next time. As the Stoics taught, the unexamined life is not worth living. Take a few minutes every day to reflect and keep your mind sharp. Lastly, practicing self-discipline is essential. The Stoics believed in mastering their desires, which is a powerful way to maintain control over how we respond. When you have the ability to control your impulses, you have the ability to respond wisely, no matter the situation. Seneca said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." Practicing self-discipline in small things, like controlling your reactions to frustration or waiting before responding, helps build a mental fortress that keeps you calm in more significant challenges. If you found these Stoic tips helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more content like this. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.